What's up, what's up, what's up? Back again with another food review. Today I got Whataburger. And I'm going to be trying the, what's this called? I'm sorry. The honey barbecue chicken strip sandwich. Honey barbecue chicken. It says it's there for a limited time. So we're going to see. We're going to see what it's hitting on. All right. Let me do the unveiling. Take the blanket off. Okay. Look at that. Oh my. It's sloppy, but it look good, don't it? Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Yep.
She said, yeah. But I'm going to say, all right. First and play. Woo! It's hot, y'all. This right here. Ah! This is good, y'all. Woo! That joint is good.
It actually smells good.
You want to try?
No, thank you.
Hey, y'all know that's good. Y'all know. I normally be taking a bite, be talking, but sure. This right here, what Martin used to say, belongs on the titties. This right here is good, boy. Well, I bring y'all this out thing with that one. I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. I do not regret getting that. They even give you a big old drink. Got that lemonade, 0 sugar. AKA lemon water. Got that spicy ketchup, man. If y'all ain't had that spicy ketchup from Whataburger, man, it's good. They sell it in stores too. So you know I got to have it at the house. Fries is hot. This is hell. I give this a 9 out of 10 today. 9 out of 10. It is smacking. Been a while since I did a review from them. But they is nice. Oh yeah. I like to say I like to thank all of y'all for coming through watching my videos, the increase in my subscribers. And if y'all have any suggestions for me, just drop it in the comment bar, man. And I will answer you. It's love, man. I'm very humble and I appreciate y'all. Already. I'm probably about to do a little change to my page where it's going to be reviews and cooking. So I'm going to be smacking food for me. So if you don't know how to cook, I'm going to simplify it for you. This right here, oh my gosh. Trouble, if you watching, slide through and get this junk for real. I'm initially going to try that there was some bacon blazing burger they got. I'm gonna try it. It just don't sound appealing to me. Got jalapeno cream cheese on it, bacon, some blazing sauce. But I'm gonna try. But today I didn't want to take no chances because I was hungry. But with that said, like, comment, subscribe. Drop any suggestions you have in the comment box. And I'll see you again. Peace.